Now, the same concept applies to arrays. So if you have an array, we should not mutate or change it. Instead, we should give React a brand new array. So here I've used the state hook to create an array of tags. Now let's say when our button is clicked, we want to add a new item in this array. Now we don't want to call tags.push because this modifies the original array. Instead, we should call setTags and create a new array object. Here, once again, we use the spread operator to spread the tags array, and this will copy all the items in the original array into the new array. And then we can add a new item like exciting. Okay. Now, what if we want to remove an object? Well, once again, we call setTags. Now, all arrays have a filter method, so we can call tags.filter. Here we pass an arrow function. So we want to get all the tags except, let's say, the happy tag. So tag should not be equal to happy. Okay. Now, what if you want to update an object? So we call setTags. Now, there are different ways to do this. One way is to create a new array and copy all the existing items, and then we can modify the new array. The other option is by using the map method. So here we can call tags.map. Again, we pass an arrow function. Now here we can write an expression like if tag equals happy, we're going to change that to happiness. Otherwise, we're going to return the tag. So we're going to iterate over all these items. If the current item is happy, we're going to return happiness. Otherwise, we're going to return the tag itself.